Hi guys, welcome to Power Cubicle Guy. In today's show, I'll show you an app which I developed for my team just for fun purpose. So during this COVID time frame, all everyone is working from home, and I thought of developing apps to have some fun time for my team members. So let's see a quick demo. So once user logs in, he will see this screen, and you see here a button will appear, select $1 million car button, which is here, right hand side bottom. After that, the second screen will appear and it will ask to select select your car. So if I select this, it will show me Bugatti and all the information, a high level information of that car. Then Pagani, Rolls-Royce Reptile, like that. Every car I can select and see the details. So for example, I select a Rolls-Royce Reptile and click on this button, drive me home. Then the next screen will appear, a fancy screen, as you see, background, beautiful house, and your car is parked, and a beautiful swimming pool, and the screen says Dodo Swim. So if you see here, click in swimming pool and help Dodo swim is the text appearing on the right hand side. So if I click on the swimming pool, you see here a beautiful gif of dog swimming, and this button appears as soon as you select the swimming pool. So this button says select wine. So this is the next screen. So if I select this button, it will take me to another beautiful screen where you see in the background a wine store full of wine bottles, and the wine bottles which you can select are moving across the page from left hand side to right hand side. So here you see at the top it's written select wine. So if I select this bottle, so as you see here, I have embedded a beautiful LED dance video. Now this will be the final screen where for your selected car, bank balance will be displayed in $1 million. So congratulations, your bank balance is like here it shows $61 million, and the selected wine bottle in the selected car will appear on this page. You see here a beautiful background image of Australian dollars are displayed just to have some fun screen. And you see here right hand side bottom, there was a timer logging off in 10 seconds, 9 seconds, like that. It will appear here. So finally this screen, this app will get logged off and an email will be sent to me. And what we decided as the winner was whichever user gets the highest bank balance will be the winner. Isn't it cool? So let's dig in and see how I developed this app. So guys, this is the dev environment, and as you see here, the first screen, I just added an image of I just added an image of all the cars, and here the $1 million car button which navigates to the second screen. If you see here, the command written here, navigate, select your car. So select your car is the second screen, right? So here in this screen, I used all the images of the cars and just showing and hiding based on variables. So if I click on this car, so at the top, right at the top, you see all the cars are moving. So I added all those cars with a small image and just made them move using the timer control. So if you don't know how to animate your car using timer control. You can see the other videos. I'll put a link at the top and also in the description how to animate that. Similarly here, if you see, I added an image with a conditional if statement. So if the selected value is this car, then display this image like that. It's an if statement. So based on the selection here on the radio button, the display of the car will take effect, right? So once the car is selected, I will show a button to drive me home. So you see here the button is hidden. So on select, I am setting a variable, the car selected variable, to true. For some reason it's going to the last screen. I am not sure about that, yeah. So if you see here, I'm setting based on the variables the selected value of the car and drive me home. So it will navigate me to the next screen, which is drive me home, and this button visibility is based on this car selected variable. So if I show you the visible option here, so you see the same variable is mentioned here. So if this variable is true, this variable, this button will get displayed, otherwise not, right? So clicking on this button will take me to the third screen, which is drive me home. So here you see the selected car. I'm displaying the selected car here, and this is the background image of a beautiful house and a swimming pool here. And the GIF I am displaying is of this dodo GIF, the dog swimming. So again, this is based on the variables hide and show, and again not sure why it's going to the last screen again and again. Once the dodo swim image is displayed, another button is the navigate wine screen button, which displays with a bottle. So here if you see, I gave an wine image as well along with the button of navigate screen. So here the condition is based on the car. I am setting a bank balance on a random value, just a multiplication by a number to give $1 million value, and multiplying with a random value to give the bank balance, and I'm storing that value in bank balance, right? So it will take me to the next screen, where I embedded a LED dance video. Here you see it's a beautiful dance video just for having some more fun, right? Now moving to the next screen. So this screen is based on timer. It's an automatic screen. So once the video is finished, it will take me to the next screen. So here I added a timer duration of 53 seconds. Now going to the final screen. So here, as you see, it will show me the bank balance. So here if I select this, I have added this customized text where I am rounding the bank balance and displaying the dollar value, right, and with a comma separation. And here if I select this image, that is the selected car value. So whatever car I selected, and here it will get displayed, and whatever wine bottle I selected, the selected wine variable will show that wine bottle, right? Now here timer is there, duration of 15 seconds. So as soon as the timer finishes off, the label log off will show that timer value. Here if you see, I'm setting text value logging off in. and this timer value, which is this timer value 15 seconds. So it will show like 15, 14 like that, and upon 0 seconds it will log off the user. So here if I show you the on timer end, here I have used an exit function so that it will auto log off based on the timer end. So this is all, guys. Hope you enjoyed this app, and if you want to create a similar one, hope you got a good idea and how I entertain my team. So please let me know in the comments if you love this video and want me to create similar videos. I will love to do that. And remember to check out my next video, which will be based on reference data management. It's an end-to-end solution I designed and implemented in my project. So be sure to check out that video. Thank you guys, and see ya.